I got a little sweet tooth for ya. I'm looking for a bit of sugar.
You'll need a gold nail polish. I am using this one, which is from the Revlon Fire and Gold series. This is in the shade 557 Gold Sparkle. You'll need a sponge, which is the most important tool that we are going to use today, and a clear nail polish. We'll start off with clean nails. You need to dip the brush and transfer the glitter into the sponge like how I am doing here. The sponge will absorb the polish and hold the glitter in place. Now dab the sponge like this. Surprisingly, the glitter will get transferred onto your nails. Now continue doing this until you get a good coverage. Now repeat the same steps for the others as well. When you're done with that, you can apply a coat of clear nail polish to hold it in place. So I hope you guys liked what you saw. If you do, then please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
Extra for the road if you kindly would.